Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐞 platform. As you guys know, whenever any career related opportunities, update and informations are available, we will try to provide you as soon as possible on 𝐂𝐤𝐬𝐞 platform so you guys aware from each and every type of details related to your career. If we talk about guys today's opportunities, then Oriental Insurance Company Limited OICL released their recruitment of 300 administrative officer scale 1. Here like online application form is going to start from the 1st December 2025 and the last date is 15 December 2025. So you need to complete your application form between the duration. The tentative date of online exam is 10th January 2026 and tentative date of online exam mains is 28 February 2026 and generally 285 vacancies available and the other vacancies 15 vacancies are also available. If you talk about guys, here you can also check if you like Indian citizen, you are like they have this type of qualifications like eligibility, you are eligible to apply. Rest you will receive a salary basic pay of 50,925 and your monthly emolument will be 85,000 per month. And educational qualifications, if you talk general journalist officer graduation, post graduation, any stream if you have with the 60% marks for all category and 55% marks for SC/ST, then you are eligible to apply. Rest if we discuss about the age limit, then the minimum age is 21 year, maximum age is 30 year, and that will be calculated based on 30/11/25. Rest schedule caste, schedule tribe 5 year age relaxation, other backward class 3 year age relaxation, and person with benchmark disabilities 10 year age relaxations are available. Here you can also check the definition of all the categories also there, like what the norms for EWS and the PWD and all. So the all rule regulations is also available here. So if you talk about the examinations pattern for, so pre-exam English, reasoning and quant is the syllabus. 100 maximum marks, 60 minutes you will get. Paper are available in English and Hindi. And in the mains examinations, like you can check, there are objective test where they are going to ask 200 questions for 200 marks and you will get a 150 minutes to solve the paper. And then English language descriptive 30 minutes you will get. There is 2 questions for 30 marks. The rest, there are many other details are also available regarding these recruitment. So examination center is also available all over the India, and mains examination center is also available in different cities. So accordingly you can choose the different cities for your examination center. Rest I will share this PDF in Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel from where you can access, and those students who want to apply they can apply as soon as possible.